Afternoon. Our team name is Fight Club, and we are going to present you some parts of our experiment. My name is Angel Barreto.
I'm Camila Lomeli.
Hi, my name is Diego Lopez.
My name is Jacqueline Yañez.
And my name is Valeria Mata.
Experimental design. The experiment consisted on testing the effectiveness of three different clinic agents. The hypothesis was based on the fact that detergents that do not contain enzymes don't remove stains as effectively as those that do. The objective of the project was to prove our hypothesis and to find the best cleaning agent among those chosen. The variables present in the project were the cleaning agents. One was a biodegradable detergent, Brazil. The other was a non-biodegradable detergent, Doni Concentrado, and the last one was a common soap.
In the first test, we cut 3 pieces of a white t-shirt of cotton. Then pour ketchup on each one of them. Wash one piece with non-biodegradable detergent and wash the second one with biodegradable detergent. And at the end, wash the last one with regular soap.
Methodology for test 2. Steps to follow. Fill a beaker with oil and water. Wait for them to separate. Agitate the mixture vigorously for a sufficient period of time until you obtain emulsion. Add soap to the mixture and stir it. Soap or detergent acts as an emulsifier.
Data collection. Step 1. We understand the differences between several detergents. Step 2. We define our variables, non-biodegradable and biodegradable detergents. We're measuring the effectiveness of the different cleaning agents. These will be measured by using the test 1 and the test 2. Using all the knowledge from the previous steps, we went off and collect our data.
The effectiveness of detergent lies in how they are made chemically. In this particular case, two of the main detergents were chosen from well-known brands, while the soap was chosen at a random to try to have a wider range of comparison.
Non-biodegradable detergents weren't as effective as the biodegradable detergents. The effectiveness of the liquid detergents was lower than the cleaning powder. Liquid detergents have a disadvantage. They have less substance.
On the other hand, our hypothesis was correct in both tests. Detergents that do not contain enzymes don't remove stain as effectively as those detergents that contain enzymes. Moreover, there are some enzymes that accelerate the synthesis process.
Safety standards. Toxic substances pose a wide range of health hazards. For example, carcinogenicity. In order to ensure chemical safety, information about the identities and hazards of the chemicals must be available and understandable to students. The overall health of the team members should be a priority in every experiment. Hence, it is essential to know how to respond in case of an emergency.
What are the ethical implications of using chemicals that may be harmful for the environment? Animal testing. It is well known that some brands do this kind of practice in order to get the product approved, reinforcing respect for life. As in the previous point, bioethics seeks to maintain respect for life, both human and animal. Truthfulness. As we mentioned before, some brands claim 100% effectiveness while they don't fulfill it.
Including phosphorus in the cleaning agents has been proved that will clean the dishes in a very effective way, but this may cause some harm to the environment, according to the EPA. An action that could be is that the products that are good and make the job won't need the approval of the EPA agency, but this will harm the environment because of the chemicals that are in them. Using non-phenol ethoxylates in some of the household cleanings products, it's very effective to loosen dirt and grease, but this chemical harms the environment by contaminating the water.
Does the use of biodegradable detergents improve the quality of human life and the environment? Yes, it does. Some examples of these are they are environment friendly and they do not contain toxic chemicals like the conventional detergents. They can be used for a longer period of time because their expiry dates are longer and lesser amount of product is used. They are also hypoallergenic, so they keep the skin safe. They they are more effective and have shown better results over conventional detergents because the ingredients are based in plants and natural components.
In this particular experiment, the objective was to compare cleaning agents to determine which was the most effective. We basically analyzed the chemical properties that the agents had, enzymes, and how these affect their effectiveness. It is important to note how the objects we use are made chemically in order to select the most suitable for our needs, not only with detergents, but with food, raw materials, components, medicines, etc.
The findings in this experiment shown that the biodegradable detergents are better in terms of efficiency, the environment, and humanity, as they are more reliable and effective. These do not contain toxic chemicals and enzymes will help their effectiveness. It is worth mentioning that they are friendly to sensitive skin and last longer than the conventional detergents. All this information helps to conclude that the effectiveness of each product is due to the components used in its creation, and in this case, biodegradable detergents are the best option.
In this experiment, we proved that there are some companies that care about the environment and the effectiveness of their products, because we proved that the biodegradable cleaning agents work better and clean in a better way the clothes. Also, the environment needs people to buy this kind of products in order to improve the health of our planet and to mitigate the impact of that the polluting power of the detergents that they have been manifesting in aquatic plants.
Biodegradable detergents are made of straight hydrocarbon chains. On the other hand, non-biodegradable detergents are made of branched hydrocarbon chains. The arrangement of the carbons determines that the biodegradable detergents can be destroyed by bacteria, while bacteria cannot act on the non-biodegradable detergents. The environment needs responsible consumption in order to improve our current situation and reduce the impact of climate change.
In this experiment, we realized that the biodegradable detergent turned out to be more effective than the non-biodegradable one because of the enzyme it contained. As a result of this, we understood the damage we do daily to the environment with products that we think are harmless. However, it is important to do our own research that complies the ethical implication of science.